Hey everybody, it's great to have you back on the channel. My name is Tom and I'm doing a Partner with Anthony review. Today we're going to be looking at session 24 and there's only a handful to go, guys, so we are nearly there. And yeah, if you're in the program, I'm hoping that this gives you a bit of a heads up as to what you can expect. If you're not in the Partner with Anthony program and you're interested in maybe having a look or joining, check out the links below in the description. There is a free training video. You can check it out, and there's other stuff in there for you to check out. There's a free ebook download, and there's a free YouTube training video which you learn a little bit of, they touch on a little bit of YouTube in the Partner with Anthony program, hence that's why I started the channel. And also, please subscribe to the channel, that would be absolutely fantastic. And if you haven't joined the program, this Partner with Anthony program is going to teach you all about internet marketing. Now, internet marketing is a lot of things to a lot of people. Affiliate marketing is something that the only way that I can explain affiliate marketing is that you are like the middleman for someone's product. If there's a product that you actually really like, I wouldn't endorse trying to become an affiliate on products that you have no interest in. It's pointless. If you find a product that you like the Partner with Anthony program, you can promote that to, you know, solo ads and Google ads and anywhere, YouTube, on social media, Instagram, Facebook. You can promote this thing anywhere and make some good little money, to be honest. And depending on you know, how you want your business and where you would like it to be in a certain time determines the work that you're going to put in. And if you've tried anything before this program, I hear you. I understand your frustration. I know that you know, making money online in 2020 can be a very frustrating time, especially with all the COVID-19 restrictions and isolation and social distancing and all that sort of stuff. But saying that, on the other side of the coin, if this lingers on or if something in the future, you know, interrupts us again, to have an online business makes sense. Like, when you think about it, it makes total sense because of the obvious. Everyone's at home. What's everybody doing? They're all on social media. They're on their Instagram. They're on Facebook. They're on Twitter. You know, they're on YouTube. They're everywhere that you can advertise to. And we're talking, seriously guys, we are talking millions and millions of people, okay? Imagine trying to advertise a regular brick and mortar business to millions and millions of people. Imagine the cost. It would be out of control. Now, getting back to what I was saying, this program, if you're not involved, I urge you strongly to join. It's $7 a month, guys. Okay, $7 a month. And you don't need to be a tech guru at all. You don't need a ton of time, and I say this in every video, you don't need a ton of effort, and you definitely do not need a ton of money. Now, all you're going to need is a desire a bit of drive to want to better yourself and discover new things, there will be always a sense of frustration with anybody with anything when they learn a new trade or technique or skill. There's always a frustrating little period, but I've said it before and I'll say it again. This course, when I stumbled across this course, just took all the frustration away. As far as, when I say the frustration away, as far as, okay, how can I make money? This opened up, it just opened up the doors, and it made total sense. And you know, by joining the program or watching these videos, you'll understand that there is a way, and it's an ethical way. You're not a salesy type person with this business. It's more of the more service that you can provide somebody, the more trust, the more chance that they will purchase something from you. So if you're up to this session now, 24, you have already started to build a list. You really have. You've got your list pumping now. What you want to do is create as much perceived value to your list without being one of these, you know, I get emails now that email marketers they're just ramming stuff down your throat, you know, and you get fed up with it and you just click unsubscribe, never to see it again. You don't want that to happen, because every time someone unsubscribes from your list, that's effectively, well, it's obvious, it's another person you need to get to replace that person that is left. Now, will you get an unsubscribe rate? Yes, you do, because you're not going to please everybody. Some people like to receive one email a day. Some people don't mind if they get one a week. Some people don't mind if they get, you know, 2 or 3 a week. Some people don't mind if they get 15 or 20 a week. I have some friends that have signed up for a particular offer, and they show me, and it's quite it's quite funny. You know, he gets, I think, 4 to 5 emails a day from this company, and he loves it. He reads through every single email. I just find it funny because it's the same offer that they're promoting to him, but he loves, he's hoping that it'll be a different offer on every email. But anyway, so getting into session 24, I know I've been rambling on. Session 24 is more about your business, okay? It is going to be a bit of a business recap, to see, you know, where you're at and how you're traveling. The previous videos, you've downloaded the spreadsheet, you've punched in your numbers, you know where your money's going, you know how much a click's costing you, or a sale's costing you, or whatever the case may be. And it's basically, are you where you want to be? And if you have reached this session and completed everything behind you, then you are where you want to be. You know, so also session 24, he likes to get you in the mindset of not to be a sheep. You know, don't be a follower. Don't do what everyone else is doing, because a lot of the times you will get the results that everyone else is getting the masses, which is not much. Get the mindset of becoming a leader. Try and just think. I know it's easy for me to sit here and say, try and think outside the box, or try and think about what is the next blue ocean? What is the next big pond that I can go and fish in on my own without all these people fishing in the same pond with me? That is easy for me to say from your perspective. I understand that. But the more you dive into this program, the more your mind opens up and becomes creative. So at this point in time, you're probably thinking, Tom, what? I can't even think. But honestly, give it time. You will develop the marketing mindset. Okay, it'll just happen, and you'll surprise yourself. You'll be like, you'll hear people talking, and then you'll start thinking, how can I solve that problem? And I do it, and a lot of other people do it that I know, and that's what drives creativity and gives you the edge over everyone else. Once again, we get into the student spotlights, which are awesome because Anthony doesn't put a student up that has earned, $30,000 in 3 months or whatever. He puts up real world earnings and effort, and he shows you the work that these other students have been doing, and you don't get results by doing nothing. Okay, remember that. You don't just flick a magic switch on the keyboard and money rains down from the sky. You get out of this what you put into it. It's all, I know, sound like a broken record, but it is what you make it. And basically for a couple of hours a week, okay, a few hours a week is all you need. Even at this stage, it's all you need. But if you want to do more, by all means, just hammer it out. But all you need is a few hours a week at this stage to work on your business. Make sure your funnels are optimized and your emails are optimized and everything is in order, so that when you do submit that ad or purchase them solo ads or clicks or whatever the case may be, a Google ad or a YouTube ad, or advertise on Instagram or Facebook ads, make sure before you do everything, you've put in the work. You do the work now and you will benefit from it later with results. Okay, it will happen. It will happen. Okay, so that's pretty much for session 24. Session 25 again is a good one. I know I say that all the time. It is a good one, and it touches on, it goes into how email marketing, it does matter. Okay, and we'll talk about that in session 25. Remember, guys, to subscribe to my channel. I would love that. That'd be fantastic. I would absolutely be stoked if you could do that. Check out all the links. Just take your time, go through the links. They're there for your at your leisure, at your disposal, and they are there to help you. So without any further ado, I will call that the end. Remember, session 25, it's a good one, and I've got a little motto that I was thinking about that I could leave you with, and always remember to create a life worth loving. Okay, guys, and I'll leave you with that, and I will see you in session 25. Take it easy, guys. Bye for now.